On December 7, 2021, Bernalillo County Dispatch received a call at 8:15 p.m. from the Albuquerque Police Dispatch regarding a domestic violence incident that occurred near Coors and Blake Southwest. Deputies were dispatched to 6200 Montano Plaza Northwest at 9 p.m. to speak with the victim. During the investigation, deputies determined a battery had occurred.
Bernalillo County 911, what's the address?
Hi, this is Stacy. I have a transfer for you.
Okay.
It's for Las Mañanitas Apartments.
Okay, was this the same one that you had called on earlier?
Yes. Yes. Okay, she's on the line. He showed up. He's there now.
Okay. All right.
Ma'am, are you there?
Okay.
Yeah, he's there. I'm sorry, I'm trying to knock on the door. Nobody's answering the doors.
She's with you now.
Okay. Well, he just took my stuff. I had my bags, and I went to knock on the neighbor's door right now.
Okay. So you're outside now?
Yeah, I'm outside the apartment, but he's like walking around, so he's trying to look for me. So we need to get like an officer over here.
And you're outside and he's inside. I want to make sure I have this correct.
Yeah, I'm outside the apartment, but he's coming outside looking for me. He knows where I'm at. I'm afraid to even run in the dark right now because he might chase me.
Okay. Stay on the line with me, okay, and keep me updated.
Okay.
We have officers headed that way. Does he have any weapons?
I swear, over there.
Is that him that I hear? Ma'am?
Well, I'm sorry. I'm so scared right now.
Okay. Are you hiding from him right now?
No, I can't hide because
Okay.
I'm right here in the bright open. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. I want to see if we can come inside real quick. Yeah, I'm fighting with my boyfriend right now, and I just called the police on him because I'm trying to get away from him. Yeah, no, is that okay?
What
I'm going
apartment number are you going into?
It's apartment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is he intoxicated or on any narcotics?
Yes.
Which one? Both?
Both are. Yes.
So 216-181. Diaz and Alamitas.
Second, no problem.
6200 Montano Plaza, apartment number 0 for a 27-4 delayed. There is a 1015 down south at Coors and Blake at the Allsets about an hour ago. She refused a 17 back then, now she's wanting to make one. And we're actually getting a 911 open line from the female advising that she is outside of the apartment and he is inside now. They live together.
187.
The female's going to the neighbor's house at Oceans to hide from the male. She's advising that he is 1018 and on 57.
So we have our offender detained.
What is it?
No.
That's 187, code 900.
160 minutes 30 seconds.
Get on your stomach.
That's 160 or 187, code 900.
187, so shots fired. One suspect down.
Let me see your hands, dude.
Okay.
Nope.
I don't know. You got it.
Turn around.
Yeah, for sure. I don't work anymore. I know.
It's all over your hands, dude.
Oh, my sweat, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Like, seriously.
Alright, let's take a walk.
Yes, sir.
187, so we have our offender detained.
The offender was handcuffed and escorted to the deputy's vehicle, where he was able to remove one hand from the cuffs and attempted to flee.
Did you hear what I'm saying or no?
Yeah, I get what you're saying, but I mean, we're not going to just let you go. That's not how this works.
It's still my fault.
It's still what?
It's still my fault.
Well, I mean, the time to argue about your innocence or guilt is in court.
Oh, come on. You gotta help me with that. Come on. In court still?
Wait, I mean, that's where you're found innocent or guilty, man, is in the court of law.
Do you mind if I take a piss right quick?
No, not out here, dude.
I gotta do somehow. Do you mind, please?
No.
Oh, come on,
we should be
please.
We should be done almost. No,
Just
get
let
back
me,
in the
bro.
car.
No,
Get back
I mean,
in the car.
come on. Just, hey, bro, I gotta take a piss, bro.
Get back in the car.
Please, bro.
No.
What do you mean, no? Let me take a piss. Yo, let me take a piss, yo.
No.
Please, bro.
160 minute 32.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Stop resisting. Come on, bro. Let me take a piss, bro. Let me take a piss. Okay. I am. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Yo, please. I didn't do nothing.
Get on your
I
stomach
am.
right now.
I am.
Put your hand behind your back. Both
Yes,
of them.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Get on your stomach.
Please.
I will tease you again. Get
Please
on your
don't tase
stomach.
me.
Get on your stomach or I'm going to tease you again.
Please don't tase me.
Let go.
Get on your stomach.
Guys, please.
Get on your stomach.
Listen to me.
Get on your
I
stomach.
didn't do
Get on your stomach.
I didn't do
Get on your stomach. If you grab me, I will tase you again.
I'm not.
I'm not
I'm not
playing.
grabbing. Please.
Get on your
Please.
stomach.
Please.
I
Please.
am not playing with
Please,
you.
I didn't do I swear to God.
Get on your
I am. No, you're not. No. I'm trying to get my stomach. Let me get my stomach. Guys, please. I ain't got no beef with you. Please, I ain't got no beef with you. Please. Please, I ain't got no beef.
Let
I ain't got no beef.
Let go of me!
I ain't got no beef.
Let go of me!
I ain't got no beef.
Let go!
I don't got no beef with
Let
you.
go!
Got me. Let me go. Let me go.
Let go!
Let me go.
Let go!
Let me go.
Let go!
We're human.
Let go!
Let me go.
Let go!
Look,
No! Don't touch me!
please,
Don't touch
please
me!
help me. Look, please, stop. I got you.
No!
Please. Let me go, please. Let me go. Let me go.
Get off!
I didn't do nothing.
Get off!
Listen to me.
There you go.
We're human. Huh? We're human. We're human.
Let me go! My gun's gone! My gun's gone!
Shoot! 187, so shots fired. One suspect down.